Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt here. And this is another episode of Just a Tip, and this is why people hate salespeople. All right, I'll see you inside. Bye. Why do people hate salespeople? Like, I don't hate salespeople. I'm a salesperson. I like me. You're probably a salesperson. You like you too. So I think it's an important concept to understand because I think it will help you out on your sales calls. That people hate you if you're in sales. And they don't hate you personally. They just hate everything about you. So don't take that personally. It's perfectly okay for someone to hate everything about you, but not hate you as an individual. So the reason is because there are a lot of movies and there is a lot of context that comes with salesperson. They think of a guy, like in Boiler Room or whatever. It's like, we're gonna fuck the prospect and all this kind of stuff, and these fucking idiots bought and all. Like, that's not what sales is. Like, sales is just change. It's just for helping someone facilitate a change. It can be a really, really pleasant experience, or it can really be a really unpleasant experience, right? I've been in situations where they've tried to hard sell me, and I'm like, it just doesn't work on me. It works on a lot of people, but it makes them tremendously uncomfortable. And so whenever someone thinks of salesperson, they're immediately thinking of that hard sales, terrible tactic that someone's used on them or they've seen on a movie. And so that's why, we need to, in our sales calls, not act as salespeople. We cannot. So if the traditional salesperson is like, hey, what's going on? It's Matt with XYZ, and I'm super excited to talk to you about my wacky arming and inflatable tube, man. They want you to be excited about your products, right? Don't do it. Just be chilled. Like, if anyone's ever seen any of my sales call, and you can go to salessniper.net, comment sales call down below, and we'll send you one of my sales calls so that you can actually listen to me. And I'm completely neutral. The reason why I'm neutral is because I don't actually care if they buy or not. I want the best thing for the person. If that involves them buying, great. If it involves them not buying, that's cool too, man. Now, I'm going to take them through a process that I'm pretty confident is going to put them in a state to where they believe that they should buy, but I'm not going to hard sell. I don't need to put the crunch on anybody, right? I don't need to make people feel stupid and make fun of them and all that kind of good stuff. So what I need to do is have a process that I take somebody through. And so the context of those conversations is that you're trying to trick them into giving you money, right? So during your sales process, it has to be very clear, and they can never think that, oh man, this guy's trying to sell me. The moment you get that, you're gone. If anyone's ever told you in the middle of a sales call, man, you're a really good salesperson, like, that person never bought. I can tell you that right now, no ifs, ands, or buts, that person never buys because they realize they're in a sales process, which means the context of every single answer that you get is going to be tainted by the fact that they know or they think you're trying to trick them into giving you money. So you need to not act like a salesperson. Don't act like a salesperson. Don't act like a salesperson. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much. Goodbye.